Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring a beach in Tarpon Springs. It's Fred Howard Park and the Howard Park Beach. So I'll take a look at that. I said it's in Tarpon Springs. It's what are we today? Today we have April the 26th, 2026. It's on a Sunday morning. A beautiful day. Some clouds around, but temperature's going to be in the mid 80s. It's important to know how to deal with the rip currents if you encounter those. Let's see here, the sand is quite nice, not quite as nice as the Clearwater Beach or Indian Rocks Beach. Here we have a playground area. This is the park section, not the beach section. Restrooms, several restrooms in this park, and also on the beach side. And they have several shelters where you can rent and reserve. You have the opportunity here to rent some kayaks. stop is the Sunset Beach, city of Tarpon Springs. Alright, we're here at Sunset Beach in Tarpon Springs, and we just came over from the Howard Park, Fred Howard Park, which is actually right over there. So direct line, it's about a mile or so. Here we have, looks like a church is setting up. I think it's Grace Church, Palm Harbor, for the Sunday service. And here also you can rent some shelters, reserve them. There's a playground.